Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. I'd like to thank Leather Honey for sponsoring this video. Not Love Honey, but Leather Honey, guys. The next best thing. I'm joking. So yeah, these are the products they sent me. So you got the leather cleaner. So they've been doing this since 1968, which is good. It's an American company, I believe. So it cleans and restores leather, fake leather, vinyl, plastic, rubbers. And these are the directions to use. So they sent this bottle, sent a conditioner as well. So the conditioner is good as well. Protects and restores, no oily residue, water repellent, non-toxic. And it lasts for 6 months, guys. It will be nice and shiny for 6 months. Granted you do this properly. Okay. And you got some microfiber cloths that they gave as well. Very nice of them. So they sent me 2. So one for the cleaner, one for the conditioner, I guess. Thank you, Leather Honey. I appreciate you sponsoring this video. So yeah, let's have a look. So the main thing on my leather steering wheel is got all these random dirt kind of spots. Can you see? I don't know what it is, sun spots or whatever the hell it is. Can you see? 2 different shades. Hopefully we can try fix that. And then if that works, we'll try a more extreme case, which is my dad's gear knob. It's leather, but it's all cracked up. Let's see if we can make that better. But yeah, let's see if this one works first. I think it will, but we don't know, guys. We'll see. So this is just over time, wear and tear. Can you see? Especially here, it's very bad here. Hopefully we can restore this, make it look brand new. Okay, so let's the leather cleaner. Let's have a look at the instructions. Oh, so just literally just wipe, put it on a cloth, dab it on all around evenly as much as you can. Don't oversaturate it, so don't put too much on. Then allow it to dry completely as well, and then follow with the Leather Honey conditioner. Okay, guys. In a video I've seen before though, the guy shakes it. Doesn't say anything about shaking here though. Do I shake it anyway? Or is it the conditioner that I get shake? Let's have a look. Directions apply, okay, use that. No. No, there's nothing there. It's extremely hot, by the way, guys. Today I'm dying. What the hell? I guess it was raining for the past 3 days, so I wasn't able to make this video because you can't really see anything in the rain. Like you wouldn't be able to see all these spots and stuff all the way around. So yeah, first thing first, I'm gonna get everything ready. So let me just pause the video while I take this out, and then we'll start working on it. Wow, it's quite a quality microfiber cloth. It's a bit thick, I like it. Oh yeah, my hands aren't in the best shape for this, so it's gonna be like rubbing sandpaper on my hand when I touch it. But yeah, that's an issue for another day, I guess. My colleague is coming now, MrWaheedulHaque. You will see him soon. I don't think he'll fit through that door though, so give him a second because I'm parked very closely. Okay, so got the towel ready, got this ready. So all I'm going to do is, I'm not going to shake it. No, I won't shake it. I'll try it without shaking first. If it doesn't do the best job, I'll shake it and do it. But yeah, there's no instruction to say to shake it. So yeah, so all you're going to do is dab a bit on here, rub it as much all the way around basically. So this is the cleaner section, so we're going to be cleaning it first, and we'll see what kind of job it does. You should really test it on a small spot first though, but because I've seen people use it on this car before, I know this leather is okay to be used on. Okay, so this is odorless, so it has no odor, it's not toxic, there's no bad chemicals in there. It's just straight up cleaner. Same with the conditioner, there's no smell, no nothing, just straight up conditioner and whatever. Oh, my colleague has joined us now.
Sorry, my love.
I know, my love.
Business calls.
So this is also sponsored person. he is sent by Leather Honey themselves, so he will be assisting us as a cameraman. Thank you, Leather Honey, for sending these products and this man for me.
You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Alright guys, take over. Alright, so all I'm doing now, as you can see these spots in it. Can you see the spots though? This one, this side's really bad, can you see? Yeah. So all I'm gonna do is dab some on this cloth and go all the way around it, guys. Okay, let me do upside down. Hopefully it don't squirt me. Oh, might be a seal on it, innit? I didn't think of, yeah, it's got a seal on it. I was thinking, why is nothing coming out? That came out quite easily. Yeah, there's literally no odor. It looks like shampoo inside though, which is cool. So maybe I do need to shake it, I don't know, we'll find out. Alright guys, so what do you think, should I shake it or not? There's no instruction to shake it.
Then don't shake it.
No, there's nothing to say to shake it. Alright then, we'll just try it on its own. Right. Okay, that was a very bad idea. My hands are very wet. Did you get splashed?
I don't think so.
I'm just going all the way around the steering wheel. This wheel not locked. Look at the blackness that come off that, guys. Oh, it's leaking a bit in it. 1 second. I'll do a better job, guys. This is on me. He has took a bit off, innit? Alright guys, let's try it again. Should I shake it?
Yeah, go on, might as well.
I'll shake it this time. Okay.
You fucking idiot. Close it properly first. The fuck?
I swear that's closed. You can't get more closed than that. Okay. I just got splash back this.
Good.
Yeah, I can feel that's leaking a bit. Yeah. Alright, shaked it. Let's see if that does a better job. Might do a better job now. And I'm pretty much full of leather cleaner. I'm going to be very clean after this. So I won't need a bath for the next 3 months. I was expecting that. Just pour some on here. Okay. Remember, less is better, guys. Wow. Fucking hell, this bottle goes flying everywhere. Right, let's go for it. Steering wheel makes it a lot harder, innit? Got some wet spots there. Not doing a very good job, am I?
No.
I think the better to use it like this, innit?
Yeah.
Rather than the whole bottle. Let me work this whole bottle down. Right, let's try this again. Oh, sounds very fancy. Okay, try that again. There you go. Yeah, use the whole cloth. It does stick a bit, but it's microfiber, so it's expected. Oh, this side's actually doing quite a good job. Kind of better than before. But yeah, you can't expect miracles, but he is doing a good job at cleaning. So I'll give it that. Only thing is this cloth keeps getting stuck, that's it. That's the only problem with this. Grab some more. Do this side corner in it. This corner will be the best. Lord deal. He's doing a better job there. It's a lot better than when we started.
Is it?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
I can't really notice.
This side
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say.
needs a lot of work in it. This side's been damaged for a long time, bro. Then again, it is just a clean, innit?
I was gonna say the shampoo's not gonna restore the colour though.
It's not gonna, yeah. Might just need a spray up. which does a good job as cleaning. Look how much dirt has come off. All oil, guys. Wow, very nice. Pause it. Do one last coat, guys, all the way around. Oh, that top bit came out really nice there. Only thing I don't like is, oh, it actually came out good. Look at the top bit. I think I've not been putting much on this one. Look.
I can still see it.
Yeah, looks better, don't it? Maybe have to get in there.
Oh yeah, actually no.
Look better.
Yeah, does look
I think I
like
need to put more on. Okay, let's try. Oh my god, every time I open it, it's squirt everywhere. Right. So I'm just going to spread it out a bit more. Put some more on. And try this corner here, because this corner is coming out quite good now. So I think I was putting a bit too less on before, that's why. I'm trying to rub it around the whole steering wheel. Oh yeah, this side's coming up good now. Look. Definitely a bit better. You know, I think. I hate that this microfiber keeps getting stuck, that's it. This is all leather as well, isn't it?
I think so.
Give it a nice little. Well, it's wet, might as well do it all. Alright. It's definitely made that better. This side here. So what you now what you need to do is let this dry for a bit before you put the conditioner on. So I'm just gonna let this dry. Get the other cloth ready, the new one. Thank you again, leather. Yeah, it smells of nothing, guys. I've got it all over my hands, everything. It smells of nothing, which is a good thing actually. So it's kind of good that it's very hot today, because it's not good for me, but it's good for just for the fact you can think you'll drive quicker. So yeah, we're just gonna let this dry now, and yeah, this side definitely 100 times better. Definitely better than we started, if you remember. So let this dry completely. We'll use the conditioner, guys. Right, let the conditioner ready now. It's dry now pretty much. You can tell it's dry. We waited about 10 minutes, innit? 10. If in doubt, wait 20 minutes. Okay, so this one you have to leave for about 2 hours. Oh, it's better. You get better results if you leave it for longer. So we're just going to leave it anyway and go to eat. So it will be about 3-4 hours. So the instructions for this one is: apply a small amount to leather honey to the lymphatic cloth, and then thinly surface of leather. Okay, use product. I'm not good at English, guys. Okay, you can warm it to make it better application. Allow for 2 hours for absorption, preferably overnight, and wipe off the excess. Okay, that's for new leather. Use leather, clean surface with leather honey. We've done that. Allow to dry. Follow instructions for the new leather. So pretty much the exact same thing. Okay, so this should last 6 months afterwards. Okay, so I'm put a bit on this cloth. I've actually seen the inside. It looks like actual honey. That makes sense why it's called leather honey. So let's have a look. Let's see what this texture is like. So less is more for this one, guys. Oh yeah, that comes out like actual sealing.
Less.
The other one was water like. This one's like a actual honey based, innit? Look, it looks like a honey. I'm just gonna go all the way around. Oi. Okay, some more in there. I like this one. This surface is really nice. Oof. Evenly do it, so just go all the way around. I think it's definitely done a bit of a better job there. It's got rid of some of the surface marks, not all of them, not the deeper ones, but it's doing a good job. Can't complain. Put some more on there, guys. Just spread that out a bit and then go all the way around. So this side we're doing mainly gonna go over the top and round to the left. So this one, oh yeah, feels really good, you know, like proper smooth compared to the other one, because it's not sticking. The cloth isn't sticking to the steering wheel. That's why I like this one. Oh, what is a conditioner? Conditioner is always going to be smooth. I think I'll do one more coat and we'll call it a day, guys, and then let it to dry. Okay, so this last coat, I'm going to get this little rest of the leather, that's it, and then we're done. So let me just go all the way around. Ooh, look at the color difference, guys, after putting this conditioner on. Looks immense, guys. Ooh. Just go over this bit of leather here. I did put some on here. Let me just quickly do a quick wipe on these, just to see what we can do. Right, the cameraman attacked me. I'm being destroyed now, and yeah. So yeah, leave this for 2-3 hours. Come back to it, guys, afterwards. Well, I like that. The conditioner, I like that. I really like the conditioner. I wish the cleaner was that kind of texture. So if there's any improvement you can make, it's the cleaner. Make it that kind of texture. It just makes it for the easier clean. That's my only advice, I guess. But yeah, I really like it. So the results will speak for themselves. I can definitely tell here on this side it's a little better. Especially down here, we had all the marks all the way along, nothing there anymore. I can't see. You only have that tiny bit of whatever you call it, and then this one here, which is it looks like it's got tinier compared to what it was before. So yeah, we'll let it all dry. This side is too far gone. I think we're gonna have to actually do something about that side. So yeah, that is what it is. What do you think, guys? I'll come back after 2 hours, hopefully still sunlight, and we'll come have a look at it, see what it's like. Let it dry now, I'm not going to touch anymore. So yeah, guys, 1 day later, he has done a better, it looks better than he started, I guess. He couldn't get rid of these marks. I might just have to do another coat, which I might do today. But yeah, thank you Leather Honey, guys. This mark has got definitely smaller, so I'm happy with that, and the rest of the steering wheel looks alright. So yeah, I'll do another coat and hopefully it'll get better. But these marks have been there for years. I did do on my seat as well, and do you see these white marks? One of them went, the rest of them are still there, so it's done a good job, I guess, for what it is. So I'm really happy with that. The only thing that can improve is make the cleaner less watery, because it does fly everywhere when you just open the bottle. Push. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sponsoring me, and I appreciate it. Goodbye, guys.